Hello, this is the DIY Diva. And when I saw this pattern of Janie Crow, called the Persian Tiles Eastern Jewels, for the first time, I really fell in love. And I wanted to try it myself without the official pattern. So I took some leftover yarn of my Frida Kahlo mochila bag, my mochila crochet bag, and I tried. And I know it is a bit illegal, I admit. And I found a pattern on Pinterest, and this is not done right, that's clear. The crochet stitches are not the right ones, and the colors are not right, and bright and shiny colors. So the money I received for my birthday was spent well. They look like the lovely colors of the real Persian Tiles blanket, and I started my crochet again. And this was the result. As you can see, the center is not correct. It's a bit wobbly. This is the part where I followed the illegal pattern. And here, the blue piece I tried to make myself, the blue outline. And I enlarged it a bit. Sometimes a woman got to do what she's got to do. I bought the original pattern. You are totally right, I should have done that in the first place. But for me it was a kind of sport to see the picture and to try if I could the pattern by myself. Well, I couldn't. I don't intend to make another blanket, but I prefer to crochet a cardigan. And I got inspired by these lovely cardigans, short ones, long ones, that I saw on Pinterest and Instagram. Since I want to wear it, I decided not to use acrylic but cotton. And I drafted my own pattern of the cardigan. Until now, these ones are ready. And this, and this, and this. So I made quite a few. These aren't ready yet. I do work in parts. I don't finish everything at once. And I already made some squares, as you can see. And there we go again. The triangles were the hardest to make for me. And ta-da! A historical moment, the last piece. I wanted to join everything in blue. So every part has another blue round on it, which wasn't in the pattern. And as you can see, not all parts are the same. So the blocking has to do its work. I made 9 squares, 16 hexagons and 8 triangles. And they were all necessary to make my cardigan. And blocking with water was necessary to shape my project. I joined a lot already, but I'm a bit in doubt about the sleeves. As you can see, they are much too wide at this point, and I do not like it. And there is also a problem in the front, and you can't see it. It isn't visible this way, but you can see it now. It's too narrow there and too short. I made this border for the closing of my cardigan. I will add some buttons and buttonholes. There's no pattern for it. I just designed it by myself. I made some cross over there, just as in the other parts of the pattern, the original pattern. And the sleeves. As you can see, this one is still too wide, but I like this one. I made one stitch and then skipped one. And one again, and I skipped one again. And I like it. It's narrow, but not too narrow. I can do this, and that's fine. I nearly finished this sleeve, and now I will do the other sleeve. The front. And the back side. The buttons and the buttonholes. And the sleeves. And still I'm not finished, not yet. I decided to add some more rows to the front. And this will do. I am very happy with my Persian Tiles Eastern Jewels cardigan that I designed myself. And of course, thanks to Janie Crow. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel of the DIY Diva, and I will see you at next video. Goodbye, regards from the Netherlands.